Good morning, everybody. It's Miss McGrath here for Wednesday, the 20th of January's maths lesson. Now, today we are still continuing with our column addition, but today the sums are going to be a lot trickier. So I've set it up ready, my column addition, for you, because this is what your sheet today is going to look like. And I have got 7 add 4 equals. So I know I've only got 7 ones in 7, because there's no 10s, add 4 ones, because I've got no 10s here. So I've done all of my ones here. Now, this is where it gets a bit tricky, and this is brand new maths learning. First thing you need to do is work out what 7 add 4 is. Brilliant, it is 11. So I'm just going to write 11 here for a minute and to show you how to set it out. Now, if I look at the number 11, it's got 1 10 and 1 1. So I'm going to put the 1 1 of 11 here. So I'm going to cross that out because I know I've used it now. But then the 10, I'm going to put underneath. Just like that. Okay? Because it's an extra 10. So, we're going to do our addition now of our 10s. Are you ready? I've got 0 10s here, 0 10s here, but I have my extra 10 down here. So, I've got 0, add 0 10, add 1 10. What's the answer, children? Super duper. It is 10. We've got 1 10. So my answer to 7 add 4 equals is 11. I have to make sure if I have a 2-digit number to my ones answer that the extra 10 goes at the bottom here. I'll show you another one. So here I've got 18 add 5 equals. So the first part that you're going to do is the what? Fantastic. The first part you're going to do is the ones. So let's have a look at the ones. So I've got 8 ones and 5 ones. So my first part of my sum is 8 add 5. Could you do that for me now? If you've got things at home that can help you count, use them too. Or you could also use your fingers. Put 8 in your head and count on. Are you ready? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So my answer's 13. So I'm going to write 13 just here next to it. And then that will help me. Now, I know that 13, that's my answer, to 8 add 5, there are 3 ones. So I'm going to put my 3 ones here. I'm going to cross that out because I know I've done with it. Can I remember where the extra 10 has got to go? Fantastic. It has to go underneath the line in the 10s column. Can you see? I've kept all my 10s together, but because it's an extra 10, has to go underneath the lines. So now I've added up my ones, and I got 13. So there's my 3 ones, and there's the extra 10. I've now got to add together my 10s. Are you ready? So 18's got 1 10, 0 10 for 5 ones, but I've also got this extra one. So I have to do 1 10, add 0 10, add 1 10. Let's have a go. 1 10, 2 10. My answer I put here is 2 10s, which means 20. So my answer to 18 add 5 isn't 2 10s and 3 1s. It is 23. So I'm going to write 23 here. Now I know it's very tricky maths today. So if you do need to watch this video a few times, then you're more than welcome to, because I know it's really tricky. Now, we've also got those sums, but I've also done one a little bit trickier as well. Oh, let me move my board a bit closer. There we are. Sorry, children. It was not coming. So, I have got the sum 16 add 14 equals, and I've set it up already in my column addition form. So the first part I'm going to start with is the what? Fantastic. I'm going to start with the ones. So I'm going to do first, look at my number. Right, I've got 1, 10, 6 ones, 1, 10, 4 ones. So I know I'm going to have to do 6 ones, add 4 ones. Have a go at that. See if you can do that first part for me. Super duper. The answer is 10. So the number 10. How many ones has 10 got? Well, I'm going to write it just here so I know to help me. So 10 has got 0 ones. So I'm going to write 0 ones. Then I'm going to do 110. Add 110. Oh, what have I forgot to do? Well done, children. It's a good job you're awake. Miss McGrath has forgot to add her extra 10. Where does it need to go? Well done. It needs to go below the line under the tens column because it's an extra 10. Should we try adding my tens together now? I've got 110. Add 110. Add my extra 10. So how many tens have I got all together? Brilliant. I've got 3 tens. So I don't get 3 tens and 0 ones. What number have I made? Brilliant. The answer to 16 add 14 is 30. So I'm going to write 30 here. Okay, now today we have given you some really tricky sums, just like that. And you have got your sheet, which say adding using column addition Wednesday the 20th of January. You've got some really tricky ones. So we're going to have a look together. So I'm going to do 28 add 8. Now I know I've got 2 tens and 8 ones. And I know I've only got 8 ones here. So I'm going to do 8 add 8 first. So can you work out what that answer is for me? Super, it's 16. So what's the ones number in 16? Brilliant, it's 6. I've got 6 ones in 16. How many tens are in 16? Excellent, there's only 1 10 in 16. So, I've put it, my extra 10, I've put it underneath the line in the tens column. Let's have a go now. We've done our ones, we need to add our tens. So I've got 2 tens, add 0 tens. Add my extra 10. What's the answer? 2 tens, add 1 10. Same as 20, add 10. Brilliant, it's 3 tens or 30. And my answer to this sum is not 3 tens and 6 ones, it's, can't trick you, well done, it's 36. We'll have a look at another one, shall we? So I'm going to do my ones first. So I've got 39, I've got 9 ones. And in 23, I've got 3 ones. So I'm going to do 9 add 3. What's the answer? Brilliant, it's 12. 12. How many ones does 12 have? Well done. There's 2 ones in the number 12. Now, what do I do with that extra 10? Put it below the line in the tens column. Right then, let's do our addition sums now. I've got 3 tens, add 2 tens, add 1 tens. So I think I'm going to do my 3 tens, add 2 tens, but making sure I don't forget this one first. Let's do 3 tens, add 2 tens. 4 tens, 5 tens. And then I want 5 tens, but now I need to do 5 tens, add my extra 10. So put 5 tens in your head and add 1 more 10. 610. Well done. So I'm going to write 6 tens, which is the same as 60, there. So my answer is brilliant, 62. Now, I know maths is really, really tricky today. So if you need to watch the videos I've done over and over again to help you, then that's absolutely fine. Good luck, children. I hope you enjoyed doing tricky maths today. And remember, make sure you email your work in to your class teacher, as we have really loved seeing all your fantastic work. Keep it up. Well done.